Peanut's not coming home? What's your name? Julian?
Yeah.
Julian, Peanut's not coming.
You guys don't even have feelings for me. Why should I even come home with you, jerk?
Yeah, I don't have feelings from Peanut. Me and Peanut have really a whole bunch of fun.
Until you guys learn your lesson.
Earlier today when
Until you guys learn your lesson. Shut up,
when
nerd.
we were getting into the car.
Nerdy, shut up.
Let's see, Peanut, talk to us. Tell us, what's the problem here? Are you going to be staying at Tito's house for 3 weeks?
Yes, I am.
And why?
Because these dorks.
Which one? This one? And this one?
Both jerks and nerds.
Okay.
Need to learn how to respect me. I get you guys stuff. You guys don't even get me anything. You guys don't even have feelings.
Dang, that's cold blood.
That's cold blood. That's cold blood. You guys are ripping out my heart.
Oh, that's a cry.
The day before yesterday, I was crying out of my eyes.
Hey, let's listen to what Peanut has to say.
I was crying out of my eyes because of you jerks. You have no feelings for me. You're always picking on me instead of someone your own size like Daddy. You're always kicking me in the nards. You're always punching my face. You're always smacking my lips for no reason. And they pull my hair for fun.
I'm gonna do this.
So you are divorcing your brothers.
Yes, I am.
You
and
want,
you know what? I'm gonna stay for 5 weeks.
You want the little Barack Obama emancipation.
Yes, thank you.
See.
Thank you, man.
I'm gonna ask Daddy if I.
What do you guys have to say about that? That your brother feels very sad that you guys make him so upset that he wants to leave somewhere else now.
For one, I feel really sad that it's gonna be hard without Peanut like yesterday.
Shut up.
I had a dream about Peanut getting lost once they go outside and someone takes him.
I hope you guys listen to what he said, because what he said is from his heart. He feels that you guys don't treat him right and you guys don't love him.
And I wish that we could take just back all those years of hitting him and start fresh. So Peanut, please let me sleep over too.
No.
Oh, wait a minute. You're a phony, man.
Because Julian...
That means... Wait a second. That means that you don't care about what he said. You just want to have an excuse to go and party out with your cousin.
Because Julian...
He doesn't have feelings for me. Isn't that right, nerd?
Because Julian goes crazy on us. He beats us up. Sometimes...
Who's Julian?
You do?
The bully.
Oh, the little innocent one over there.
Sometimes Julian makes his arm really hard, and then he punches me real hard. Then he turns my back.
Well, you know, you guys.
Then he puts me on my stomach.
You know how?
He grabs his elbow and he goes like that to my back.
But you know how you handle bullies like Julian?
No.
You say, everybody, let's jump them together. And then you give him a smacking and a whacking that he'll never forget.
And I wish that we could, for all these years since I was 2 years old, that I could hit him. But once they do 4 or 5 times, then they get way out of
Tito, I want to hear what you think about this whole thing that Peanut wants to stay with you for 3 weeks because his brothers, they don't treat him right. And he's very hurt. Talk to me about it. What do you feel about it?
Bad because they don't even treat him right. I mean, the last time,
you wish you had brothers like us.
Excuse me, I'm talking to him.
No, you're not gonna have one.
Okay, what's your answer? You think that's right?
No.
What will you tell them to do to change to be better, to be more loving with their brother? Because the little brother needs them. What are you gonna tell them? What can you tell them?
To give him money to celebrate more his birthday. Every day they have to pay him $1, and they have to be special to him.
Oh my God, you're a material man.
$1?
How do you feel, Pina? Tell us the truth.
Like an idiot.
You're smiling. Okay, like Betito said, every day we give him $1, I'm gonna start now.
Flex the power. All you white people are idiots, except for Betito and
he's not white.
And Christina.
I'm not Mexican. I'm from the United States.
And except for Daisy. And except for Grandma.
Okay, Betito said to give Tina $1.
Rufus. Yeah.
Move it.
Tina, he's gonna.
All right. I'm gonna say goodbye for now, but I'm gonna give you one last minute advice. Okay, and I hope you guys just listen and learn. We all need to take care of each other, okay? Because we never know when God is going to say today is his last day for Peanut. or for Julian, or for Eric, or for your father, or for me, or for my daughter, or anybody. You understand? And when a person dies, that's it. You'll never see them again, and you never hear them again, and you never be able to say, I'm sorry, because they will never be able to hear you. So when you're with your brother, love him. Love him. Treat him right. Respect him. And take care of him, because he's going to do the same thing for you guys. And if you guys don't know how to do that, and one day he dies, that's it. You'll never see him again. Ever. So when you're with your brother, treat him right. Because look, he's saying that he wants to go live somewhere else for 3 weeks because he feels hurt.
5. I just changed it. 5.
You see? You see?
Daddy, when this is on YouTube, I'm gonna starting tomorrow, I'm gonna pack all my stuff and move somewhere. I don't know, maybe to my friends or David's.
Oh, be quiet, little boy. How old are you? 8 years old?
9.
Oh, be quiet.
Somewhere.
Yeah, shit.
Somewhere. So I just want to say to
tell that little boy to be quiet.
Shut the hell up, Eric. You have no reason to say that, huh?